Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izzuddin bin Abdulwana. Today I will present you my FYP project, which is Network Segregation and Security via Honeypot. So first and foremost, for my project background, this system was performed to keep track of the user logon credential into the website. Second, the approach of the system is necessary because a system that easily breaks in can provide protection for the network system. And last, the aim of this project is to build a virtual and isolated honeypot which is protect the network from malicious attack. So for my problem statement, for the first one is common problems with knowledge-based tools such as firewalls and IDS that they produce false alarm. Second, narrow of visibility that firewall fails to prevent attacks alone. And third, advanced persistent threat, which is APT problem, which an unauthorized person gains access to a network and stay there undetected for a long period of time. So for my objective, for the first one is to design the honeypot using network virtualization. Second, to screen and analyze the data about the assailant and the assault strategies. Third, develop protected actual real organization from assault utilizing honeypot segregated network. Next, for my project scope, the first one is build the honeypot using network virtualization. Second, honeypot that will alert the network admin when there is an unauthorized access. And third, segregated honeypot will be integrated into protected actual network from malicious attack. For the significance, the project outcomes will be critical in assisting the cloud computing platform in overcoming vulnerabilities of the exploitation to the user. So for the methodology, for the first one is planning. Next, we go to analysis and system design. Third is testing. Third is implementation. And lastly is testing. So for my methodology, the process model to be introduced was the waterfall model, which is a linear sequential life cycle model is another name for it. So each phase must be completed in a waterfall model before moving on to the next, and the stage must not overlap. So the waterfall model is the most basic SDLC technique for system development. So for the next slide, which is my system design. So my server will have three servers, which is 112.1, 102, and 3. So I'm using Ubuntu as an administrator, and from this laptop will access Ubuntu from the cloud. So the attacker will try to port scan and try to log in my web page using their tools such as Nmap. So next is system demonstration. This is for my demo project. This is a website for your keeper graph. Fast installation for your keeper is actually quite stats. So as you can see now, we will go to the PHP my admin web page to log in to see the database. And root, the password is honey drive. Here, this is the keeper database. We will create a new table. We will import from the Ubuntu file. SQL, MySQL.SQL. and so the input has been successful. So this is source code. So we go back to the group cryptograph and try to log in via SSH. Password and try into the server. So let's see is there any input in our cryptograph. So as you can see, the crypto input is there. And the cryptograph, which is we put, and the password we know root 123, and the crypto IP. So that's the IP with login using SSH. And that's all for the demo. Thank you. So this is a Telegram notification which is result from my project, which is if someone logged into the Honeypot system, which is the network administrator, will get notified in the Telegram apps. So the login alert consists of time, date, username, hostname, and remote host address, which is remote user, and the service attempt of use. So next. So for conclusion, in my conclusion, the Honeypot system was successfully developed and met its goal and purpose to analyze system login from any intruder via website login page, and successful to divert any intruder to the Honeypot system and collected credentials from the attacker. So the Honeypot is a security system that used to monitor any activity happen in the system logged on. So that's all from me for now. Thanks for watching, and thank you.